Another banger.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I took myself on a solo date and I really needed it. Started at home getting ready. I did my hair and my makeup, just taking my time getting ready. I am getting better at installing my wigs and I'm so excited about it. I have a short video on TikTok, so make sure you check it out. I got this gown from my friend and here is the location. It's not really far from my house, so my flatmate came with me to take nice pictures of me and some videos. Here is the menu. It's an Indian restaurant. I love the food, but I don't like the chicken. I don't like how the chicken was. There's this pom curry, something like cracker. I don't like this chicken. The other one that looks like cracker is amazing. Then I got pina colada anytime, any day. I love pina colada. I wanted to treat myself after working so hard on my dissertation, and your girl is a graduate. Yay! Postgraduate master's degree holder. It was such a nice calm moment. I love the aesthetic and the Indian music. Growing up as a child, I love watching Z World and some movies.
Actually, look, I'm going to marry you. You're going to be my wife.
But please.
I already know how this thing is going to end.
So I went out to get ice cream because I was craving for more, and this is me going for my first swimming class. I've always wanted to learn how to swim. Yay! We are going to make a change today. So this is me on my way. It's so hot. We're not supposed to record. See how I'm sweating. So I have to change my wig. Change this. And I'll see you guys out. That we met and a professional that is, attending to 5 other people and me as well. So yeah, they are more comfortable and they understand that they are really focused on you. A few days later, I got some package from TikTok shop and AliExpress. Some of the items were cute and some were not what I expected. Let's say what I ordered versus what I got. This is so cute. I needed it from the weather, but this literally I got scammed because I wanted to get a short gray skirt with black and white design, but this is just a straight long gray skirt. I had to return it, and I got this jacket that didn't even last. The wool keeps coming off, and the pictures I saw on TikTok were not like, it was giving quality but not quality. And this tripod, oh my gosh, it is so small. It is not long at all. I had to return them because I got like 2, and now I finally got something really nice and something worth my money. Guys, this is the best purchase. I needed this to relax my back because I was having back pain ever since I moved, and this is just what you need after a long day at work. And this is the famous Nyla perfume, Rihanna's perfume. Yeah, it's worth the hype. I'm not gonna lie. And I got this from TikTok shop. It's a 2-in-1 suitcase. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'll be posting skincare videos soon, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you in more of my videos. Bye.